We are pleased to show you the 2019 X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, power passenger seat, LED headlights, power lift gate, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, keyless entry. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.